There was once a small village nestled between two hills, divided by a wide, fast-flowing river. On one side lived a boy named Arin, the son of a poor fisherman. On the other side was a school he dreamed of attending, but the only bridge that connected both sides had been damaged in a flood. The villagers had lost hope of ever crossing it again. They called it the Broken Bridge and spoke of it as if it were a lost cause. But Arin wasn't like everyone else. Every morning he would stand by the riverbank and stare at the broken bridge. He could see the school in the distance, its tall white walls, the students in uniforms, the sound of the bell ringing. He longed to be there. His father, noticing his silent yearning, once said, "Aaron, dreams are good, but broken things don't carry dreams across rivers." Aaron replied softly, "Then I'll fix it." The villagers laughed when they saw the boy dragging logs, ropes, and nails to the riverside. He was just 13. "Even grown men can't fix that bridge," they mocked. "This is not a job for a child." But Aaron didn't listen. Every day after helping his father with fishing, he would work on the bridge, alone. He failed often. Sometimes the logs would drift away. Sometimes the rope would snap. Sometimes the wind and rain would wash away a full day's work. But still, he came back. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. People started noticing. Some began to help. A carpenter offered some tools. A mason gave advice. An old man offered wood from his barn. Little by little, the boy's dream stopped being just his and started becoming the village's hope. After 8 months, on a misty morning, the village woke up to something unbelievable. The bridge was whole again. Aaron stood proudly at its center. It wasn't perfect. It creaked in places. It wobbled a bit, but it held. It stood. The villagers gathered, stunned. His father stood in awe. "You did it," he whispered. Aaron smiled. "I just refused to believe that a broken bridge meant a broken dream." He walked across and enrolled in the school that same day. Years later, that same boy became an engineer, returned to his village, and built a proper stone bridge, strong, wide, and unbreakable. Above it, he placed a sign that read, "The bridge that belief built." Moral of the story: no dream is too big and no obstacle too strong when you have the courage to try, the patience to persist, and the belief that you can